Alright, good morning. We are on our way now to Ski Poley. It's 8:38 and we are hoping to arrive there on or before 9. So it's only hope we can arrive there earlier because it's around 20 minutes drive going there. And yeah, it's 21 minutes according to Google Map.
Head southwest on New Brunswick 114 West.
It's kind of cold right now. It's 1 degree, but it's gonna be warm the whole day.
Resort's limited.
It's going
May not
to be
open yet when you arrive.
okay. It's going to be around. So it's going to be around 12 degrees the whole day, pretty much. So, but the jacket that I'm wearing is kind of thick, and it's going to be warm. I'm going to share with you about the jacket that I'm wearing. It's new. I just bought it, so I love the color. I love the jacket. But later on, it's just gonna be it's gonna be on another video. Ooh, it's too cold right now, but it's sunny. Well, anyways, yeah. So their lounge is really huge. Aside from that, they have a lot of storage areas where you could put your bags. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any doors or lockers, so it can't be locked, but you could put it there. I guess they have cameras around, and then if someone's gonna steal your bag or stuff, for sure they're gonna get reprimanded and they'll get caught. And yeah, so I just really like it because their lounge is so huge, where you could just stay for a bit if you're going to take a break, and then also you could just put your bags on those storage areas, and you don't have to go out to pick up or take your things. So just bring all of your things out and then put it inside the lounge. But I don't know what's gonna be the scenario if it's really busy out there, because the time when we went there, there were only a few people. But maybe during the peak season, it's gonna be a first come first serve, so you have to secure your storage first before you do anything else. The lounge at Ski Poley has a very lovely fireplace where you could just hang out for a bit if you're feeling cold, and maybe you could also put your mittens there. I don't know. I saw some mittens over there being dried up. I don't know if they allowed it, but it was there. One of the best things that I found there was the microwave oven in their lounge. So at least you could bring your own food and then just heat it up there. Ski and snowboard racks. Yep, they also have ski and snowboard racks. I think that is standard over every ski resort. So they are just located outside of the lounge, and it's well organized over there. Parking areas. So I just realized just this morning actually. So there are two parking areas in Ski Poley. First is the parking area that we were. It's already huge. A lot of cars could be parked there. But then when I visited their website just this morning, it stated there that there is another parking area which is just on the opposite side of the resort. So I wasn't able to go there, unfortunately, because I didn't know that there was a parking area. And also, but the time that we went there it's still on season, but then there were not a lot of people. Then for the bunny hill, of course, every ski resort or snowboard resort has their own bunny hill. So I noticed that their bunny hill is a bit huge. So, and then also they have their own magic carpet. One thing I noticed on their magic carpet compared to Ski Martok, I'm not trying to compare here, but I just can't help it. So the magic carpet, it's a bit narrower compared to the ones that we have in Martok. Martok is a bit wide, and then when I tried to put my snowboard keeps on touching the sides. So that's just my comment on their magic carpet. And then it's a bit slower when you go up. But of course, the magic carpet is designed for beginners like us and whoever's still learning, and then also for kids. But in fairness, their bunny hill is a bit huge, because that will also connect you to their tri chairlift. If you are into not hurting yourself, if you are into some small jumps, some small exhibitions, they do have a beginner's park in Ski Poley. A lot of my friends did some jumps, did some 180s, but no 360s. I just took a video of them because I just couldn't do it. So this beginner's park, actually, it's within the bunny hill. Chairlifts. So there are 2 chairlifts that we found when we were in Ski Poley. So there was one quad chairlift, and then the other one is a tri chairlift. So the tri chairlift is located just near the bunny hill. So for you to be able to go to the tri chairlift, you need to go. So from the lounge, you need to go up. From the lounge, you need to go up. It's either you're gonna walk, or you're going to take the ponytail, what do you call that? Ponytail grabber. So it was a bit hard for me to do that the first time, but I was able to do it, and some of my friends as well. So you just had to go up using that ponytail, and then just slide your way down, or snowboard or ski yourself down, going through the bunny hill, and then you'll find the tri chairlift. And then so for the quad chairlift, where was that located, babe? I couldn't remember. Oh, opposite side of the lounge, or the opposite side of bunny hill. So you still have to go down from the lounge. So you'll go through a blue trail. So that's a blue trail. I could still remember that. And then once you go down there, then you'll find yourself going down to the quad chairlift. So of course you need to use your access card, because they have their gates over there, and then you'll be able to use the quad chairlift down at the from the lounge. So on that area also, you will also see the main road, which is the Waterford Road. Yep, and then also the entrance. So when you get inside, actually from the main road, you'll be able to see the quad chairlift already. I wasn't able to take a video of it because I was in awe already when we when we arrived in Ski Poley.